Hey guys, this is Daniël-James. I'm back. Guess what? We just got our channel back. This is the best kind of news you could get on a day like this. I just want to say thanks to everyone for supporting. This is what the email looked like and kind of how everything played out. And I just want to encourage you guys, if this ever happens to you, how to get through it. So this is the video about that. We're also going through a rebrand change right now, and the channel may actually shift to djm.show and have different creators on there. If you're a creator, contact me so that I can get you on the show. I want to interview you and see what you're about. We also posted on Newsbreak a lot to get through this challenge. Special thanks to Ken Roney Law Office for helping us, as well as Natural Nay. This is the video that got us out of YouTube prison. All the best to everyone out there, man. I'm so stoked. We have a South African video coming out about the difference between South African and American business culture, so go check that out. That should launch here in the next couple. See you.